I know since COVID, a lot of us have been homebound and not getting out as much as they would have liked or that they have in the past. But that human touch, that human connection, just being in the presence of someone, not through video, but in presence with someone, makes a lot of difference in your life, in your energy field. So this practice is for those that don't get that human touch. This video is especially for those that live by themselves. And this is giving yourself a hug. And in Jin Shin Jyutsu, you put your hand underneath here so you can feel the tip of your shoulder blade here, and your thumb comes out to this area here. And this here, doing this, is hitting about 3 different safety energy locks, but more importantly, it is really calming you down. This also helps for bones, strengthening some bones. So just simply hugging yourself and breathing. Really good to do on your hour or 2 break. You can just get up, take some deep breaths, and walk around the house just by holding your body like this. You can see it's how it is like this. If for some reason it bothers you to cross over something, then just do one arm. If you can't get it all the way there, you can always move your arm a little bit this way. And anytime you hold your arm up here, like in other movements, it actually helps with a lot of different organ flows. So feel free to touch your body, and especially if you have a free hand. So this is giving yourself a big hug. It is easy to do and should be done regular basis. So have fun with this, and we'll see you later.